us. Didn't even get to cross.
Beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm doing a winter life hacks video. Before I jump into it, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload a video like this. That being said, let's just jump into the hacks. There has been so many times where I wear shoes and boots and I take them off and my socks and feet are soaking during the winter time. So an easy way to avoid this is take plastic bags or a Ziploc, anything you want, and put it on top of your sock before applying your shoe. So of course, if you're gonna wear a smaller shoe, you have to have a smaller Ziploc or plastic bag. A lot of the times I wear knee-high boots, so I make sure that it goes up a little bit more. And then I just put it on and then put my boots right on top. And it doesn't feel weird at all. It feels comfortable. It's not uncomfortable or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about that. But it's an easy way so your socks don't get all soaked and you don't feel all gross during the winter time. This next hack is super great for any gloves you have or hats that may have pilling all over it. All you have to do is take a razor and you just go down it gently, and as you guys can see, it gets rid of the pilling completely and it makes your gloves look brand new. You can also, like I said, do this hats as well. This next hack is really great for those knits that you may have, either if it's a sweater or in this case, I like to use this on infinity scarves. All you have to do is take a bobby pin and you're going to put it into the little knit that's pilling off and you're going to basically sew it through. It's an easy way to fix it and make your shirt or your scarf look completely brand new. If you're someone who has really dry skin in the wintertime, switch from a body moisturizer with a pump to a tub. The reason for this is most of the creams that come in a tub are heavier, more hydrating, and they have a thicker formula, and this is the reason why they put it in a tub, because if they were to have a pump, it would be harder to feed through the pump. So I definitely recommend, if you are someone who gets really dry skin during the wintertime, definitely opt for a tub of moisturizer as opposed to that pump. Speaking of moisturizers, I definitely recommend using overnight face masks during the wintertime. This one's just by Origins, and what you do is you apply it at night and sleep with it overnight, and then in the morning your skin will be super soft. These overnight masks are pretty much like a moisturizer, but just a heavy moisturizer, and this is so great for dehydrated skin. This next hack is for those times where you take your hat off and you just have so much hair static. So a way to help with this problem is take a little spray bottle, put some water into it as well as a few drops of lavender oil, shake it all up, and after you take off your hat now, all you have to do is take the spray and spray a little bit on top of the roots, and it's just gonna smooth everything down and get rid of that hair static right away, and it just makes your hair look so much better. So I definitely recommend putting a little spray bottle into your purse or your knapsack, whatever it may be, but this works wonders. So if you're ever stuck in those times where you have a frozen lock or you're trying to unlock your door or something like that, all you have to do is take a lighter and put it to your key. You don't have to keep this on for too long, just a few seconds, and this is basically going to help with frozen locks. And during the winter time, it just gets so cold and sometimes it's really hard to open your door. If you live in Canada, you know the struggle, so I definitely recommend trying this hack out. This next hack is super random, but it's to take vitamin D during the winter time. This is because your body naturally produces vitamin D when you're in the sunlight, so you make less in the winter, of course, because there's less sunlight. And this can help raise your mood significantly. So I definitely recommend adding vitamin D into your diet. That is all for the hacks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, if you liked the video, thumbs it up so I know. Hit that subscribe button to join the Nicolettes fam champs, and go over and hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload a video like this. But that being said, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!